Hello, my name is Zachary Bennett, and today I'd like to talk about what it means to be spiritual, not religious. Most religions put a strict code on what to believe, how to behave, and what reward you can receive in accordance with those actions. Spirituality shows us accepting our likes and wants, accepting us for who we are, letting us pick and choose what beliefs we hold. We can choose and pick beliefs from other religions. We can choose to follow scientific beliefs and opinions. Religion is not a bad thing. It is a key to a door. That door being a better person, being more accepted for who we are, letting us connect with other people. Spirituality can achieve the same things and yet allow us to bridge the gap between religions. When we follow practices and beliefs that allow us to love one another and to respect ourselves, to cherish the earth, what more could we ask for? In my opinion, there's a piece of truth in all religions. There's a piece of truth in science. Where I choose to be spiritual is acknowledging this truth as the big picture. I choose to accept the world as my religion. As love as my walk of life. As difficult as it may seem to understand different opinions, can't we not acknowledge there might be some truth to them? To contradict with our own opinions. Knowing what makes the world go round. At the end of the day, we're all humans. We do human things. And as crazy as it may sound, we all will die. That doesn't deny us the rights to enjoy the love, happiness, all of the emotions along the way. What a true blessing. What a joy. What a ride. If I can find happiness in different pieces from different religions, shouldn't we all recognize and love those truths? To be human, It's a wide range of emotions. Knowing that we get one life in this plane, let's respect one another. Let's set our differences aside and acknowledge that there might be truth in every opinion, no matter how crazy it sounds. If we could look at it all like one big puzzle of love, one big globe, one big earth, one big human species, all experiencing this thing called life. Allowing ourselves to feel the emotions, whether it be the good, the bad, or the ugly, and knowing that those opinions others may have, that's the way they deal with those emotions as well. That's what connects them. There's no such thing as a right or wrong way to love. There simply is love. We, as humans, we try to analyze everything for the answers. Religions don't have the answers. They simply show us how other humans have lived, what's possible. Letting ourselves experience this thing called life through the eyes of another human, doesn't that deepen our concept of love? Isn't that a joy to see something totally different? Be amazed, learn something, question everything. Don't sell yourself short, don't put yourself in a small pool. Expand your horizons, open your mind, allow love to fill your heart. Most religions have grown on one another anyhow. It's an ever-expanding, ever-changing way of thinking, way of living. It's a key that opens the door called life. Please don't get so focused on what your religious texts are saying that you allow yourself not to embrace the full body of love. Knowing that we're here right now, why limit ourselves? Why not fully enjoy what we have? To experience what others may have to offer before they're gone. Just imagine if you only ate one type of food the rest of your life, how boring that would be. There's many keys to the door of life. Let's live a life worth living. Let's allow love to be our life, to be the walk we choose. Spirituality can be an all-encompassing way of life, a daily practice, a closeness to what is. Fear doesn't need to rule us. Judgment in ourselves is a concept made up by the mind. If we walk through this life with love, doesn't matter what we believe in, we will find the answer. We will live a life worth living. When we look around the world, different opinions, different races, different cultures, We might not agree with everything. We might find some things strange. We might find some things weird. Knowing those people are living and loving in their own pool and their own tribe. Acknowledge that. Appreciate that. Cherish that. That's love. That's life. Don't constrict your horizon. Allow yourself to be free. Let go of the judgment. Let go of the hate. Let go of the misunderstanding. Observe the world with an open mind. Interesting. That's a different perspective. I haven't considered that before. Thank you for opening my mind to a different horizon. True spirituality, the knowing that there's not an answer. Most of our society wants a quick fix. There's no quick fixes here. There's a lifelong commitment. You can explore every holy text, every religious document, and still be left without an answer. That's not something people who want quick fixes can do. Daily practice in acceptance, in love, in peace. This is my religion. This is my spirituality. I'm simply trying to share with you how I live, how I choose to see the world. We're all human, having a human experience. Let's try to make it easy on one another. Let's enjoy this. It's not always going to be easy. We're going to have heartbreak. We're going to have pain. We're going to have sorrow. We're going to have destitution. Humanity is found through lifting one another up, through seeing the joy in someone else's eye, laughing a little longer, loving a little bit more deeply, crying a little bit more vulnerably. Feel your emotions. Embrace them. Allow yourself to live. Don't put off another day. You are here right now. Daily practice of spirituality for me includes acknowledging my existence, asking the universe how I can do better. It's a constant, daily habit. It needs to be fed. It needs to grow. Choosing to see a different culture outside of my perspective and embracing that, questioning that, learning from that.